Look how deceiving is this lake. It's all frozen. If you were to jump in here, it could be serious trouble. Very serious problems here. This is serious, you know. If you were to fall in here, you'll be in deep trouble. I've got a big piece of ice here. I'm going to try and throw it.
Okay.
And see if it can break any ice.
Baba.
That's thick. It doesn't break. But I'm not gonna stand on it. And that's the family who have hosted me here. I have been here, I think, since Monday or Tuesday. There you go. You can take a video. Press this 1 minute. 1 minute though.
Есть?
Where are you going? Come.
Тома, давай. Окей, все, я на паузу поставлю.
Russian tradition. This is pumpkin. They cut the top off, and as you can see, it's got full pumpkin there to eat. And they put veggies in there. I mean, I'm a brilliant cook, but this I did not know. This one has got vegetables, it's got chicken, it's got carrots, green peppers, tomatoes, onions, ginger, garlic, you name it, it's got it in there. And they put it in this amazing oven, and they just let it roast by itself. It's quite amazing. I can't wait to tuck into that Russian dish. It looks delicious. And that's the lady who's done it. Hello, Galina. That's Galina, the mother of the house. She's the one who's done it. And this is the dada, the papa, or father, as they would call it. He's got 2 daughters, absolutely amazing 2 daughters. And that's the queen of Instagram. Her name is Lisa. I normally nickname her Lisa Minelli. This is the Russian oven they use here, and it's controlled by electricity. Now she's opening it. Look, there are 3 tomatoes in there. These are like potato wedges. It's done inside this oven. Let's look. See the oven there? It just opens. First time seeing it. Look at Galina mixing her stuff. That's Galina mixing it. Look, that's lovely, Galina. Thank you, spasibo. Wow, she puts it back in because it's not ready yet. Oh, this is interesting, very interesting. Welcomed here with a lovely family. This is Tamik, yes. And I had some pasta with his family and with him yesterday. His wife cooked the pasta. That's his wife there, and that's his lovely daughter. His lovely daughters. The eldest daughter there, and the youngest, Tamara. Yes, that's daughter Tamara, and Lisa Minelli. Elizaveta, like Lisa. So they say Lisa like Lisa Minelli, and that's Tamir, which is Tamara, and the mother is Galina. Yes, Galina. Lovely family here in Ossetia. They are Ossetians. Very lovely people. I really enjoyed it, and tomorrow, Tami is taking me to the mountains here in Ossetia, which is the other side of Kazbegi. So I know Kazbegi very well. So it will be very interesting for me to be on the other side of Kazbegi, which I'll be going with him tomorrow. And guess what? He plays chess. So I need to challenge him on a chess game. Yeah, but you're going now? Now you go?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, your father is going now?
Yes.
Okay. And he'll be back later?
Да.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, yes, da. Da means yes. Нет means no. Okay. He's not running away from our chess game, but he's going away now. maybe later on I will play chess with him.
О, да, хочется вообще
Yes.
так.
Yes, I'll play chess with him. You play chess?
No,
No.
ну,
You don't play
very
chess?
bad.
Very bad. It's okay. We can play a little bit. Your sister plays?
Что я скажу? Ты играешь в шахматы?
Не, вообще не умею.
Oh, you don't play chess?
Тарик умеет шахматы.
No, no.
And your mother play chess?
No.
No, nobody plays.
Если хочешь, можно в
All right.
Да нет, думаю, что так интереснее.
Не, ну с живыми людьми.
Oh, thank you very much.
We playing chess later.
Yes, okay, no problem.
Little later.
Yeah. Green tea, that's Zaloni chai. Zaloni chai.
Да.
Okay, imbiri chai. You see, I'm learning Zaloni chai, imbiri chai.
Да, имбирный чай.
And yes, I love imbiri. Imbiri is very good. Yes, we love imbiri. There is no pain like the pain of saying bye to the people who have hosted you and have become your friends, part of your family in a journey of discovery and experience. I am off today after spending 6 full days with Tamik and his lovely family that hosted me. Cooked brilliant food. His wife Galina, she is such a cook. My God, she can cook. I've had the best experience here in Vladikavkaz. If you get a chance, come to Vladikavkaz and meet these lovely people, Ossetian people. Very, very warm, kind, friendly, and absolutely lovely. I wish I could say more, but you have to come here to experience what I have experienced. Just to experience the hospitality, the kindness, the love that they give you here. It's amazing, amazing. When you come here, you will realize how nice the people are. And that's Tamik there driving. Tamik, say bye. And bye is na. How do we say bye again in Russian?
Bye.
In Russian?
Пока. Увидимся. Увидимся.
Увидимся.
We will see you.
All right. Okay. Yeah. There's another word that I've been practicing. Macedonia.
До свидания.
Yeah.
До свидания.
Yes. Macedonia. And you wanna say bye, my friends at the back, please?
Скажи,
That's
до свидания.
Sasha and his wife.
До скорого свидания.
And your wife?
Wife тоже.
All right.
Будем ждать.
We love
В
that.
следующий раз.
Yes, Nasidania, it basically means goodbye. Bye, so that we don't make it sound like final. Goodbye is like final, but bye is like I will see you again. Lovely.